Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, recently one of my subscriber asked me a question. He says that he belongs to a non-programming and non-technical background and his target is to get into analytics industry within 3 months. So should he target the data analyst role or should he target the data science role? This was the specific question, and as he told that his target is basically to get into analytics industry in 3 months. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss about this particular question that was asked from him and what is the path probably a non-programmer, a non-technical person should take to get into analytics industry. We will be discussing about that. Understand guys, in my YouTube channel, I have uploaded so many successful career transition videos from non-programming to data science, from non-programming to data analyst also. But one very important thing in those kind of videos was that whenever I asked that specific person that like for how much time he was actually preparing to get into data science role, he used to say somewhere around 8 months, 9 months, 1 year or more than 1 year also, right? But with respect to a data analyst, if you just ask, the person used to say somewhere around 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, right? So what should be a path if a person wants to get into analytics industry within 3 months if he belongs to a non-programming or programming background also? See, for a programming background, I think for entering into data science also, it will just take around 4 to 5 months if you are able to learn everything, and it also depends on the number of hours that you are trying to put. Somewhere around 4 hours or 5 hours daily, I think within 3 months also you can target. But for a non-programming background, why the problem may happen is because that they don't know any programming language. Suppose if you are trying to learn Python programming language, if you are able to devote at least 2 to 3 hours, then also to learn the Python programming language with all the content, if you have all the content, it will take somewhere around 1.5 months itself. And there you really need to practice about logic building and do many things as such. So definitely for a non-programmer to learn the programming language, it will take more time, right? So it is not possible just to complete within 6 months, because 2 months will just go in programming, and later on you will be doing some more things like EDA part, feature engineering, do model creation, learn all the machine learning algorithms, then go to deep learning, then go and learn NLP. So this will obviously take more time. But as a data analyst, if a non-programmer is targeting a data analyst role or a BI developer role, what is BI developer? I'll consider data analyst, BI, business intelligence developer, because there you include tools like Power BI, Tableau, stats and all, right? So I'm going to consider both this role including as data analyst itself, because as a data analyst, you'll also be working as a BI developer itself, right? Now, if you're targeting this particular role, guys, I think you can definitely target it within 3 to 4 months from a non-programming to get into the analytics industry. Because why? Once you become good at programming language, then you just need to learn the additional skill that is called a SQL database and NoSQL database. First of all, let's understand what are the skills that are required to become a data analyst. Okay, so skills that are required to become a data analyst is SQL, one Python programming language, any programming language like R or Python. I would suggest go with Python. Then you have stats. Then you have business intelligence developer tools like Power BI and Tableau. If you have these 5 skills, that will be more than sufficient. Now understand why I'm making this video, because a person wants to get into analytics industry as soon as possible. So the efficient path for a non-programmer will be that first of all, try to target the data analyst side. Once you get a job into the data analyst side, then parallelly you can actually prepare for the data science side also as a data scientist. Because if you're spending 3 months and if you're focusing on SQL, Power BI and Tableau, along with statistics is also very much important, because anything that is related to data, if you're trying to apply any mathematical concepts on the data, definitely stats will be required. Now if you're following this particular path, guys, definitely consider that you will be able to make a transition within 3 to 4 months, and it will be pretty much amazing, because when you start working with respect to different projects, you will get more and more experienced. Okay, and the task of the data analyst for a non-technical and non-programming when compared to a data scientist, because understand in data science you really need to understand machine learning algorithms, which will involve heavy mathematics, which will it will also be difficult to understand deep learning algorithms, because which will involve heavy mathematics, like if I talk about optimizers, neural networks and all. Similarly with respect to NLP and computer vision. So for learning all these things, I think 6 months to 1 year definitely it is going to take for a non-programmer. So my suggestion will be that if you're targeting analytics into analytics industry quickly, try to take this particular path. First of all, try to get into data analyst side over there. And data analyst, anybody can become, guys. A person from non-technical background, a manager, a person who don't have any knowledge about anything, because there you'll be using this BI developer tools, where you'll be creating some amazing charts, visualization, graphs. Yes, that creativity will be coming on as you go ahead with more and more practice. But understand, to become a data analyst, a basic degree is more than sufficient. I'll suggest to data science, to become a data scientist also, guys, data scientist also, I'll suggest a basic degree is sufficient, more than sufficient. And nowadays, even in startup, they don't care about the degree. But to become a data scientist, it may take more time because you really need to learn a lot, right? So as a data analyst, guys, my suggestion will be that if you're from a non-programming background, first of all, target data analyst. Now, once you become a data analyst by applying different jobs after learning all the skills, then what you really need to focus on is that then target the data science side. Okay, because after that, along with the job, parallel, you'll be able to learn the data science side. With the data analyst part, your EDA will become very good. The exploratory data analysis, the analysis of the data, how do you create reports, how do you give it to the stakeholders, how they are making some amazing decisions from those reports, that all things you'll be able to understand. And all the remaining things that is present in the data scientist work, like feature engineering, model creation, model parameter tuning, model deployment with respect to machine learning, deep learning, or NLP use cases, you will definitely be able to learn it parallelly, right? So the first 3 months as a data analyst, once you get the job, the next 3 to 4 months, try to target it as the data science itself. Again, the final aim, everybody should try to target data science role. Obviously, because the package is good, you have more facilities over there. The growth will be obviously good. You'll be able to work in multiple domains and all, right? So this was it about this particular video. This is just my suggestion, what I feel, guys, because I've seen many people who have made successful career transition. There are some people who directly took the step to become a data scientist, and it took somewhere around 1 year, whereas there were some people who took this data analyst path where they took somewhere around 4 to 5 months to become it, right? And if you are able to devote around 3 to 4 hours daily, I think for data analyst also it will become very, very easy. In my upcoming videos, I'll be talking about the detailed skill set of a data analyst, because obviously for a non-programming and non-technical people, this thing will be pretty much easier when compared to data science part. Okay, because in data science, you really need to provide a lot of effort. I'm not saying it is not possible, guys. Okay, I'm saying that your target is to get into the analytics industry as quick as possible. That is the target what you're looking at, right? So yes, I hope you like this particular video. Please do write down your comment whether you feel that whether this path, what I have actually told, is efficient or not. I'll be seeing all your comments, and based on that, I'll try to reply you. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye-bye.